function that would give the stated characteristics. Okay, so it's important here to understand the difference between a vertical asymptote and a point of discontinuity. All right, so if something is non-divisible, right? So if I leave with 1 over x plus 1, then I have a vertical asymptote at x equals negative 1. All right. However, if I had like, I don't know, a x plus 2 times a x plus 1 all over x plus 1, what I want you guys to see is the x plus 1s divide out, right? So therefore, we have a point of discontinuity at x equals negative 1. Now, again, the reason why I'm using negative 1 and not positive 1 is because negative 1 is what makes that expression 0. And that's what would make it undefined in this portion problem. So if I have a vertical asymptote at x equals 6, right, that means I don't want that to be divided out, but I do want the x plus 2 to be divided out. So, I mean, literally, guys, I could just write x plus 2 up top. That's going to be divided out, but the x minus 6 is not. Now, in this one, we want it to be, now this can be factored out. Okay, so we want the vertical asymptote, so we don't want x to be divided out, but we want this one to be 2 to be divided out. So again, we could just write a x minus 1 on the top, right? Because we want those to be, we want the x minus 1s to be divided out, which they would be. But we'd have an x still in the denominator here. And again, you could throw some numbers there if you need to. Multiple different solutions.